My name is Chris, and in this instructional video I'm going to demonstrate how to alter some of the basic configurations on Windows Home Server, including your theme, your desktop, your screensaver, and your resolution. To begin, we're going to right click on the desktop and go down and select Properties. And that's going to take us to the very first option here, Themes. Now from here you can alter a lot of aspects of your computer, including the colors, icons, the way everything looks can be altered by the theme. So that's a Windows Classic. Now we'll go back to the current one. And you can find more themes online, or if you have them on the computer, you can just browse and look for them. Now we're going to go up to Desktop, and this affects your background here. So for starters, we're just going to get rid of the desktop. You notice it changes to a solid color, which can be dictated by this. Or you can choose a background. Now if you put it in the center, you notice you still have the border, and again you can dictate the color of your border. But for now we're just going to stretch it and make it take up the whole screen. You can also browse to find more if there's none on this list you like, so you can download some pictures. If you have a favorite photo, you can use that, all kinds of stuff. And customize desktop. This lets you choose which icons you want to pop up on the desktop, as well as what they look like. Alright, now we're going to go over to screensaver, and we're going to go to marquee. Notice, yeah, that's moving a bit quick, so we're going to come up here, we're going to slow it down. And you can randomize it so it doesn't always go across the middle of your screen. You can change the background color. You can change what the text is, and you can format it, change its color, its size, its style. Okay. Now right here is how you determine how long the computer has to be idle before the screensaver kicks in, and whether or not you want it to go to the login screen when you disable the screensaver by moving the mouse. Now we're going to come up here to Appearance, and in this menu you can alter the look on all of the menus and stuff, like see the blue and the gray. And we're going to go up to Rows and see how it's changing everything. And there's a lot of different options here, so we're just going to go with leave it how it is. And you can go over to Effects. You can change certain things like watch the icons over here, make them bigger. Show window contents while dragging. What that does is, see how it's not showing anything at all? Now hit apply, and now it shows the whole thing. You can change the standard font sizes, and if you go into advanced, you can change virtually every aspect of your color scheme. So now we're going to go over to settings, and this is where you affect your color quality and your resolution. If you notice as this gets bigger, it looks like stuff gets smaller. It's because the size of your screen is increasing while the size of the items on the screen are staying the same size. Now my monitor can handle a 1920 by 1080, so we're going to move it to that and hit apply. If we want to keep the settings, we have to hit yes within this time frame, otherwise it automatically reverts back as a safety feature. So if you pick a resolution that you can't handle, your screen would just go black or flicker and there would be problems, and you wouldn't always be able to hit the no button to revert it back, so it does it automatically for you. My name is Chris, and this has been an instructional video on how to alter the basic configurations in Windows Home Server. I hope you enjoyed watching and you found the information provided to be useful.